everyone, this is Ilana Michelson from ilanamichelson.com, and you're catching me here right now doing one of my favorite pastimes, and that is watching my friend here, Wally, do work for me while I sit back and just relax. Now, I've been for a long time asking my gratitude notebook, which I tend to do, for something that I didn't yet have, and that was to have a life full of fun and full of ease. And all I can say is that having this robot, which I got a couple of months ago, has certainly brought a lot more ease into my life. Now, on the one hand, it's true that if I didn't use him every day of the year, it wouldn't be quite as easy because he'd be a lot more dirt. And it's true, he's not able to necessarily get deep, deep, deep dirt. But if I keep the upkeep, meaning I do it every single day and I can sit here and relax on my swing as he's doing the work for me every single day, and I can sometimes drink my coffee or drink a shake or a fruit shake or eat a frozen yogurt, which I can make with one of my blenders, well, then it's pretty easy for him to do the work of me here. Now that brings me to the metaphor, which you all probably know I'm going to bring some sort of metaphor, and that is when you do the daily upkeep of your mental hygiene, of your emotional hygiene, getting rid of it on a day-to-day basis is pretty easy, pretty quick, pretty easy, and you can probably bring yourself back into center pretty fast. But if you choose to wait every time till things start piling up, till all the dirt on the floor gets piled up, well, then it's going to be a lot harder to get it done. Then you'll probably have to come to me or some other practitioner or some other therapist to help you get rid of the stuff. So my advice, enjoy life, make it easy, do the daily work, just get it done. It takes just a few minutes a day, if that much, and then you'll be in good place.